Hey guys, Louie here, and boy, I've got so much for you today. I don't know how I'll fit it all in. I have a coin review from the Germania Mint. Yeah, the beautiful, beautiful new coin that they've just released. I want to show you some silver that I've been stalking as silver prices are weak here. We'll review the prices on the week and some of the price action for the week and talk about the future. So let's get going. All right, as of today, August 21st, it is a Saturday. We had gold close out at 1,942. Yesterday, down $3 on the week. We had silver close out at 26.82, up about nearly 40 cents on the week. And we had platinum down again at $916. So that puts gold up 27.6% for the year, silver up 48.92% for the year, and platinum down 6.34%. The Dow stayed about even at 27,930, down 3.25% for the year. So silver in first place, gold in second place. If you're interested in my silver miner basket, it is now up 39.56%, and my base metal basket is up 11.32%. Biggest hit on the week was the silver miners, although silver had there was definitely a lot of volatility in silver this week. Let's take a look. All right, here's the chart of silver for the last 3 months. And of course, we had that explosive move up, which peaked pretty near 30 and then fell back to something like 24 something. And then we have been recovering. Dip buying has worked out okay, but as you can see, we are descending here somewhat. I mean, these are higher lows and higher highs, but here we have a lower high and a higher low. What you don't see, though, is what's been happening pre-market, and there has been a battle royale in the pre-market from what I've seen watching the prices. Let me go to the 24-hour chart. Okay, so here we are on the 24-hour chart, and I have been both fearing and hoping for a drop to down below this 26 support level. And we were there pre-market yesterday on Friday. I really thought it was going to bust through it as silver was down, I believe, over $1 pre-market, and just hanging out here at the lows. I thought we could go lower, but really wasn't sure. And, it climbed kind of a wall of worry back up to 2680. But I don't think we're out of the woods. I think you could toss a coin right now if silver is going to resume back up from 2680, or it's going to bust down below to something below $26, which I'm actually kind of hoping for, because I think that would be a no-brainer buy if you could get in below $26. Between $24 and $26 be a great time to pick up physical, to pick up paper silver, and then it could also just go sideways in this channel for a while. So for me, the jury's out. Stay where it is, up or down, but I don't think the downside risk is very great, and I think you could definitely do some buying. I did, and I'm not sure if I entered too early or not, but I did not pick up SLV. I put my basket of silver miners back on full tilt. However, they showed little recovery. Actually, they've been looking the weakest of the metals that I've seen. So the silver miners looking lethargic, drifting down. But I went ahead and put that basket back together. As you know, I reduced it down to a quarter size back when silver was much higher. And I think we could be getting closer to a bottom, but I also could have bought too early. So time will tell if the silver basket will march back up. As you saw, the gains are already about 40% on that for the year, but I believe they had been over 50. Anyway, that's what I'm doing, and if spot drops below 26, I would re-enter some paper positions and sell covered calls on those. All right, let's move on. All right, let's go on to that beautiful Germania Mint unboxing. I want to show you their newest offering and their really, really unique capsule that they have designed, one of a kind, and also show you my biggest Germania Mint coin, the Mac Daddy of Germania Mints. I'll give you a look at that too. And after that, I will show you some stuff I was recommending very early morning on Friday when I thought silver could bounce below 26. I'll show you my favorite bullion that I was stalking and is still available, but about a dollar higher than it was when I tweeted that. All right, let's get on to that Germania Mint unboxing. All right, I want to thank the Germania Mint for providing me with these two coins, these two rounds to present to you today. And before I look at those, the new release of the Beast series, I want to show you one of my favorite Germania Mints. Yeah, this is Allegories, Britannia, and Germania, and this is the 5-ounce. This is the 5-ounce version. Oh, she's in there crooked. But you really can't appreciate it till you take it out. So let's go ahead and do that. And there it is. That is one of my favorites. Look at the chunkiness on that thing. Just beautiful, beautiful. So that's a prize in my collection, and really glad to have that. But what we're here to see is this. All right. So, certificate of authenticity. This is the first in the series, definitely worth picking up. Germania Beasts. All right, this is 4/9 silver. There is a mintage on this release of 25,000 total worldwide, and this is 1 ounce. All right, what you're looking at here in this really unique capsule, which you can get it both ways apparently, so I'll show you that quickly. But this is Fafnir the dragon. Okay, old Fafnir, he used to be a human being, but over a little dispute about gold, he had a run-in with Odin, and it did not work out so well for old Fafnir. Now, of course, the reverse has the Germania Mint coat of arms with the bicephalous eagle. Let me make sure you can see that. All right, there she is. But you know, you've already seen some of these videos, but you can get them in this this figure 8 capsule, which is the first of its kind that I have ever seen. And you can also get them in cards with a single capsule. Okay, if you just want one, so you don't have to buy 2, but how special is that? So when, oopsie, gotta open that up, and they're gonna come with a COA, and then there again is the reverse. So when you do put these together correctly, let's do it like this. This is just a lot of fun. Gotta line these up here. But that is what it is going to look like. Sorry, you're looking through the capsule there, but you're going to see his tail. Put that down a little bit. You're going to see his tail continuing. Maybe that's better. Yeah, like that. When you do put them together, you're going to see his tail wrapping around that figure 8. Coat of arms in the middle. Fafnir the dragon. I can't wait to see what they come out with next. If you're into Norse legend and you enjoy those stories, highly recommend the series called Vikings. At least the first 4 or 5 seasons of Vikings, really awesome. Pretty violent, but I think you might enjoy it, some of you guys. So there is Fafnir the dragon, and he can be had in the figure 8 capsule or standalone in the card, both with COAs. Let me get that. Both with COAs. So there are the two offerings. I don't know what the offering price will be. You know, these are premium bullion. They're not proofs, but they come with great packaging, and they are premium bullion, and I really, really like this series. As I said, I think on the first video that I saw this unboxed, I really would love to see a display case come out for this soon. Can you imagine, you know, the double coins for all releases of the Germania Beasts? That is going to be so cool. So it'll have a higher price point than the Provident Dragon series, for example, but very, very collectible. One of my favorite new releases. And of course the Allegories is still available. That is still going on if you like that one. They have the Maple Leaf, and of course they also have the flagship Germania coin. So thank you again, Germania Mint, for showing this to us. Really, really like it. I'm going to treasure that one. And I'll be looking for that display box, because if you get one of these, I warn you, you're going to want them all. So with the spot, you know, in the high 20s, yeah, it's going to get pricey. So it's a collector coin for sure. For sure. Just beautiful. Flawless coin. Great quality they have. Now they also have some other offerings of Germanium beasts that, you know, in rhodium, for example, and I don't know if the aftermarket people will be doing the space red and blue and so forth, but that's the one I'd want right there. Yeah, I'd get you one of those for the collection. So keep an eye out. Don't buy them off eBay before they're released. The prices will be higher. You want to wait for the release and then go ahead and pick one up early on before the prices go up. All right, there you go. Germania Beasts. Love it. And feel bad for poor Fafnir here. What a tale of woe and intrigue, you know, being turned into a dragon. But that Odin, he was kind of a son of a bitch. So you don't want to mess around with him or with his gold. Yeah, there you go. All right, let's get back to the video. Just quickly, going to show you the sunrise coming up off my front porch. Got some birds migrating. Not too many birds this morning because a giant hawk is stalking our birds here, and just flew off with a bird or a rodent of some kind. I wasn't sure. But yeah, he flew right by me and went over to that rooftop over there to eat whatever he got. So that's freaking out the birds a little bit, except for the hummingbirds, which they're too fast. You can't get them. All right, you know I like this Kraken coin, and I happen to see that JM Bullion has a special on it. I saw this Friday morning when spot was much lower, and I did tweet that out. Presently, they're charging $61.80 any quantity, free shipping on that if you get above their $1.99 shipping minimum. But I really like this coin from the Canadian Mint, and you know, if we get a crack in spot price, hopefully this will drift back down to about $60. But that would be my Silver Eagle Buster. I'd buy that before I'd buy $35 Silver Eagles, but that is just me. So I was stalking that coin. The other thing I saw over at Gainesville Coins, all right, they had their 28 an ounce, 29 an ounce bullion offering of random designs and these Mason Mint bars. So presently you can pick up a 10-ounce bar for $288 plus, I don't know, the shipping might be something like 50 cents an ounce, less if you buy a higher quantity. But the thing that I missed, and I want to really draw your attention to this, is this junk that they were selling. This must have gone really fast because they were selling 90% constitutional in 100-ounce, 1,000-ounce face bags. Let's see. I don't see the price on that one. Yeah, but if you wanted a $100 face bag or a 1,000 ounce face bag, 25 cents over spot. All right, I've said this before, and I don't think people realize that the premiums on constitutional or junk are some of the most susceptible to downturns. And as I mentioned before, when I saw these premiums up around two, three, even $4, I was recommending against buying constitutional. And this is why, because when the bottom is falling out, when you're in a downward move, these premiums really compress. And that's a good buy right there, a quarter over spot for junk. But if you paid $2, $3, $4 over spot for it, just like if you paid, too much for a silver eagle, those premiums compress really fast when the market drops. So I missed this particular sale, but if you want to bookmark the Gainesville deals page, I'll put a link below. You may see stuff like this pop up and go real fast. And that is about what you want to be paying for constitutional. A quarter per ounce over spot, 50 cents over spot. Don't get carried away with junk. Junk is, when the market turns down, junk is truly junk. Nobody wants it. All right, just like those war nickels and some of the other some of the other items that maybe a little cheaper today than the premium stuff, like that Kraken I showed you, or even a Silver Eagle, or a low premium 10-ounce bar. But when the market turns down, boy, those premiums turn down fast. Gainesville has got the Silver Eagles, still about 35. Still about 35, a Silver Eagle. So I'm not sure if those premiums are going to come down or not. I heard the mint is back at full force minting Silver Eagles. So we'll have a 25 million. It's going to be a serious mintage this year. No reason to pay more for the 2020s, but I don't see anything other than 2020s here. Oh, here's random, 34.84. So you could save a couple of pennies on the random year. That's your choice. All right, guys, I think I will wrap it here. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and let us know, are you buying right here? Are you waiting for the dip to get it a little bit cheaper? Or are you just averaging into this market? I think this is really good movement here for new stackers. Go ahead and start building that pile, guys. It's not going to get a lot cheaper. All right, have a wonderful weekend. Take care.